Hey there! Are you dreaming of retiring early? Wondering how to make your money work for you instead of you working for your money? In this video, I'm going to break down some simple yet powerful compounding money hacks that can help you retire earlier than you ever imagined. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is compound interest? First things first, let's define compound interest. Simply put, it's the interest you earn on your initial investment plus the interest that has already been added to it. It's like interest on top of interest. Let's say you invest $1,000 in a savings account that earns 5% interest per year. At the end of the first year, you'll have earned $50 in interest. But the next year, that $50 will also earn interest, making your total interest grow faster. This process snowballs over time, and that's the magic of compounding. Hack 1. Start early. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Time is your best friend when it comes to compound interest. The sooner you put your money to work, the more it can grow. Take a look at this. If you invest $100 a month for 30 years at a 7% annual return, you'll have over $100,000 at the end. But if you wait 10 years to start, you'll only have around $40,000. That's a huge difference just because of the time factor. Hack 2. Automate your investments. Next hack, automate your savings and investments. Life gets busy, and if you don't make saving a habit, it might not happen. Automating your contributions ensures you're consistently investing without having to think about it. Set up automatic transfers into your retirement account or brokerage account. Even if you start small, the habit of regular investing will pay off in the long run. Plus, with dollar cost averaging, you'll buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high, reducing the impact of market volatility. Hack 3. Reinvest your dividends. Hack number 3. Reinvest your dividends. Many stocks or funds pay dividends, which are like a reward for holding onto them. Instead of cashing out these dividends, reinvest them into more shares. Reinvesting means you're constantly buying more shares, and those shares will also generate dividends over time. It's compounding within compounding. The longer you reinvest, the more you'll benefit from the snowball effect. Hack 4. Invest in growth assets. Hack 4. Focus on growth assets like stocks, index funds, or real estate. These types of assets typically outpace inflation and provide higher returns over the long term compared to savings accounts or bonds. While there's more risk involved, the higher potential returns can supercharge your compounding. Look at the stock market. Historically, it's returned about 7–10% per year. That's how wealth builds quickly when you give your money room to grow. Hack 5. Cut unnecessary expenses. Now, to really speed things up, you need to free up more money for investing. That's where this next hack comes in. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a look at your monthly spending and see where you can trim back. Do you really need that extra subscription? Can you cut down on eating out or impulse buying? The less you spend, the more you can invest, and the faster your money compounds. Every dollar you save is a dollar that can grow and work for your future. Hack 6. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Hack 6. Max out your tax-advantaged accounts. These include options like IRAs, 401ks, and health savings accounts, HSAs. These accounts allow your money to grow tax-free or tax-deferred, which means more of your returns stay in your pocket. For example, a Roth IRA allows your investments to grow tax-free, and you can withdraw the money tax-free in retirement. The less you pay in taxes, the more your investments compound. So, always try to max out these accounts when possible. To recap, here are the key compounding money hacks to help you retire early. Start early and let time work for you. Automate your savings and investments. Reinvest your dividends to turbocharge growth. Invest in growth assets for higher returns. Cut unnecessary expenses to free up more money. Maximize tax-advantaged accounts to keep more of your returns. By applying these hacks, you'll put yourself on the path to retiring earlier, with your money doing the heavy lifting. So, don't wait, start now and let compounding do its magic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.